Howdy folks, just doing a little mechanic work this morning. We were gonna video some of it, but gasoline started pouring everywhere, so we just had to stop the hemorrhage as fast as we could. Our fuel lifter pump on the 2510 John Deere is a gasoline tractor, and it was starting to spray gasoline out the bottom, which means the diaphragm was going bad. So I had bought a new one, and it doesn't look like we have a gasoline shutoff valve. So as soon as I got the parts apart, the fuel tank just started draining out on the ground, and we had to hurry and get it all back together. But it's a cam powered pump, and the engine pushes on this and pumps gasoline over to the carburetor. Anyway, just a short video. Just finishing up here. I was just trying to get the rest of it all tight, but I think we're ready to go.